Hello everyone, this is Robert with HomeCraft. I'm here at our newest listing. Today, we're in Trailwood Subdivision. This is a 3-bedroom, 2 full bath, 1 half bath ranch, finished basement, updated kitchen, completely walkable to downtown Plymouth. You gotta check this one out, come on. Hopefully you enjoyed the tour of this beautiful Trailwood Ranch. For more details on this property, you can check out our landing page at www.trailwoodsub.com. You can also text us at 734-329-0123, or you can email us at sold@homecraftdeam.com. Stay tuned after this video to see what you'll find a short walk away in downtown Plymouth. Thanks and have a good one.